Breaking news. Freightliner just made a jaw-dropping move that's sending shockwaves through the entire American trucking industry. Yes, you heard that right. Freightliner, the king of Class 8 trucks, has officially left behind a $35.07 billion U.S. production strategy. But what led to this drastic decision? And how will this impact the future of trucking, workers, and the economy? For over 80 years, Freightliner has been a symbol of American strength, producing powerhouse trucks across states like North Carolina, Oregon, and Michigan. Their production capacity was once a key part of the U.S.'s $900+ billion freight economy. But the cost of staying competitive, especially in a rapidly electrifying world, have forced a hard reset. The $35.07 billion invested in old infrastructure is now being bypassed in favor of more agile, global alternatives. Insiders report Freightliner is realigning its entire production map. Major facilities are being downsized or paused, while Mexico and Europe emerge as new homes for manufacturing. This is no ordinary cost-cutting move. It's a massive industrial pivot. Freightliner wants to build the trucks of tomorrow, and they believe they can't do it the old way or in the old places. Enter the electric revolution. With Tesla, Volvo, and others moving fast, Freightliner is pushing hard into the EV space. Their eCascadia and M2 electric trucks are gaining momentum, and Freightliner wants to speed up development. To lower costs, speed up innovation, and meet climate goals, they're building EVs where batteries, chips, and rare metals are easier to access. But this decision has left many American workers stunned and unemployed. Industry analysts warn that over 28,000 U.S.-based jobs are now at risk, affecting everything from part suppliers to transport unions. Despite the backlash, investors are thrilled. Daimler Truck Holding AG, Freightliner's parent company, saw a 6.3% jump in stock value after the announcement. Clearly, Wall Street is betting on a leaner, greener Freightliner. But many critics say this short-term profit will lead to long-term damage. Freightliner argues this is the only way to stay ahead in a global tech race. With smarter automation, AI-driven manufacturing, and new energy systems, they're trying to build the next generation of smart trucks. The real question is, can America afford to lose its industrial backbone for the sake of speed and cost-cutting? What do you think? Has Freightliner made the right move, or are they abandoning the very workers who built their legacy? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because more shocking auto news is on the way.